This is the Arduino. If we connect it with a wire, then we connect a LED and connect that LED with a resistor and then give power to the Arduino. The LED lights up. The Arduino Uno board is powered by a microcontroller and can be used in various applications. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll talk about the Arduino board. Now let's discuss when was Arduino made, what is Arduino, how can we use Arduino, and why we should use it. Arduino project was started in Italy. In 2003, the development platform Wiring was created. In 2005, the Arduino team decided to add support for a cheaper microcontroller, the AT-Mega 8. This board, which was a fork of Wiring, was called Arduino. From the starting of this video, I've been talking of Arduino as a board, but actually Arduino is a company which makes the Arduino Uno board. So from the starting of this video, I've been talking about the Uno board, which is one of the famous boards of Arduino. So Arduino is a company which manufactures electronic devices and software. So there are many more boards which Arduino makes, like the Arduino Mega, the Arduino Uno, the Nano, etc. You can see the list on the Arduino website. So on the Arduino Uno board, we'll find a power jack, a USB-B connector. So the power jack can be used for delivering power by a battery holder which has two batteries, and the power jack also can deliver power, and we can also send programs with it to the microcontroller. So this big black thing in between below made in Italy is the microcontroller. You can find out more about it in the video given in the description. So next there is the power pins for delivering power to the circuits, the LEDs, sensors, etc. Then is the analog in pins, which are mainly used for input, but they can be used for other purposes also. So like they are used for taking input from sensors, etc., but they can be used as output pins also. Next is the digital pins, which can be configured as inputs or outputs. So by default they are set as inputs, but we can change them as outputs by programming by the pin mode method, which you can see in a tutorial of Arduino. After which are these in the digital pins, if you see the next to like that 11 pin, there's a tilde sign. That means that it can also give uh, output and input in 255. So in the 255 analog way. So like in digital pins without those tildes things, they cannot do they can do only 0 and 1, but the ones with the tilde can do both 0 and 1 and 0 to 255. You can check more about this in an Arduino tutorial. The coding for Arduino is also done in a special software made by them. Now we have finally come to the final question. Why we should use Arduino? Because it's the used in electronics. It connects products, advanced sensors, cloud and apps, machine learning, AI, etc. It can be used in education for STEAM lessons, or it can be used in the cloud or in mobile apps. It is very good. It was one of my first electronics board. I learned a lot from it. And we can also see how Arduino has described it as the maker, the edu, and the pro. It helps us to make many things, even if we are not engineers or electronics engineers. It can teach many students about electronics, the STEAM lessons, and as the pro, it can be used in companies also. It is open source, so it can be used in many applications, mobile applications. It can be used in the cloud, AI, machine learning, etc. So the future of the world, many people are saying it's AI, but AI needs something to run on. That would be the electronics. So it's a great way to jump into electronics. Thank you.